This is gonna blow your mind. There's a special surprise worth rupees 21,000 for those who watch till the end. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it gathers snow, it grows bigger and bigger. This simple yet powerful concept is a perfect analogy for how your investments can grow over time. This is the power of compounding, and it's the secret sauce behind dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs. Compounding allows your earnings to generate even more earnings, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth accumulation. DRIPs are like a magic spell for your investments, helping them grow faster than you ever thought possible. By reinvesting your dividends, you are essentially putting your money to work for you, allowing it to grow exponentially over time. Instead of spending your dividends, you reinvest them to buy more shares. This reinvestment strategy can significantly boost your returns, especially over the long term. This means more dividends, which buy even more shares, and so on. The cycle continues, creating a powerful engine of growth that can transform your financial future. It's a beautiful cycle of growth. Just like a plant that flourishes with the right care and nutrients, your investments can thrive with the right strategies and discipline. Ready to learn how to harness this snowball effect for your own portfolio? Let's dive in. We'll explore the steps you need to take to start your own DRIP and watch your investments grow like never before. Demystifying DRIPs. How do they work? Think of DRIPs as your personal investment assistants. They work tirelessly to grow your portfolio without you having to lift a finger. When a company pays dividends, a DRIP automatically uses that money to buy more of its stock. This means your investment grows steadily over time. The best part? This usually happens without any brokerage fees. So, you get to reinvest your dividends fully, maximizing your returns. Let's say you own 100 shares of Reliance Industries. This is where the magic of DRIPs really shines. The company declares a dividend of 10 rupees per share. This might seem small, but it adds up quickly. With a DRIP, you'll automatically receive 1,000 rupees worth of additional Reliance shares. This reinvestment happens seamlessly. Now you own more of Reliance, and those shares will earn you even more dividends in the future. It's a cycle of growth. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that puts your money to work for you 24/7. Over time, this can significantly boost your wealth. By continuously reinvesting dividends, you harness the power of compounding. This means your earnings generate even more earnings, creating a snowball effect. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, DRIPs can be a valuable tool in your investment strategy. They help you build wealth effortlessly. Remember, the key to successful investing is patience and consistency. With DRIPs, you can achieve your financial goals over time, one dividend at a time. The power of compounding your money makes money. Compounding is like magic, but instead of wands and spells, it uses time and consistent investment. When you reinvest your dividends, you're not just earning money on your initial investment, you're earning money on your earnings. Imagine two investors, both starting with 10,000 rupees. One keeps their dividends, while the other reinvests them. Over time, the investor who reinvests will see their investment grow exponentially faster. This is the magic of compounding. Don't underestimate the power of time and consistent reinvestment. It's the key to unlocking true wealth potential. Real-world success. DRIPs in action with Nifty 50 stocks. Let's look at a real-life example from the Nifty 50. HDFC Bank, a consistent dividend payer, has a long history of rewarding its shareholders. Imagine you invested 1 lakh rupees in HDFC Bank 10 years ago and enrolled in their DRIP. As you can see, the power of compounding would have significantly amplified your returns. This demonstrates how DRIPs combined with fundamentally strong companies can turn small investments into impressive portfolios over time. A glimpse into the crystal ball, technical analysis and DRIPs. While past performance is not indicative of future results, technical analysis can provide valuable insights for DRIP investors. By studying charts and identifying trends, we can pinpoint potential entry and exit points for maximizing returns. For instance, a bullish crossover of moving averages might signal a good time to start a DRIP, while a bearish divergence could indicate a time to review your holdings. Remember, technical analysis is just one tool in your investment arsenal. It's important to consider other factors, such as your investment goals and risk tolerance. Beyond the numbers' fundamental strength for long-term growth. DRIPs are most effective with companies that have a solid track record of dividend payments and strong future prospects. Fundamental analysis helps us identify these companies by examining their financial health, management quality, and competitive advantage. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend growth, a healthy payout ratio, the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends, and a strong competitive position in their respective industries. By focusing on fundamentally sound companies, you're setting yourself up for sustainable, long-term growth with your DRIPs. Your exclusive invitation to financial freedom. Do you want to master the art of DRIPs and unlock the full potential of your investments? Well, we've got a special surprise for you. We're offering a comprehensive course on dividend reinvestment plans packed with expert insights, practical strategies, and real-world examples. Unlock your wealth potential, subscribe, and claim your bonus. Imagine a future where your financial dreams are within reach and you have the tools to make them a reality. Subscribe to our newsletter today and gain instant access to our exclusive How to Automate Trades course, originally priced at 7,000 rupees, for a limited time offer of just 99 rupees. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to learn from the best in the industry without breaking the bank. This course will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to identify the best DRIP-eligible stocks, implement effective DRIP strategies, maximize your returns through compounding, and achieve your financial goals faster. You'll learn how to make informed decisions, minimize risks, and grow your wealth steadily over time. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to supercharge your investment journey. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our course offers valuable insights and practical tips that can help you succeed. Click the link below to subscribe and claim your bonus. Take the first step towards financial independence and secure your future today. We can't wait to welcome you on board and help you achieve financial freedom. Join our community of successful investors and start your journey to financial success now. After subscribing, send a screenshot to WhatsApp number 9113211787 to claim rupees 21,000 worth of 5 financial calculators. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer.